shirts. So we should be good. We'll see what else you got. Brand new broadheads, brand new air rest, brand new sight.
Brand new underwear.
Huh?
Brand new everything.
Brand new everything. So he's fresh out of excuses. And we should get some deer going down tonight. I think it'll be a pretty good evening. I've seen some bucks back here last week, and I got high expectations for tonight. Matt. He's down. That deer didn't go 10 yards.
Smoked him.
Look, he's waving his tail. He's waving his tail. He's done. So like I said, folks, he was fresh out of excuses. Fresh out of excuses. Brand new bow.
No
brand new
excuses.
arrows. Brand new Magnus Stinger broadheads. And we're going to look for a bloody arrow right now. Real quickly. It should be right over here. This deer was right over here. That arrow should be right around here. I know. There's a scrape right over there. We should have a bloody arrow laying on the ground right over here. There he is. Right there, folks. We got, looked like two of them blades of broadhead that was ripped off of there. Might have caught shoulder going out. He was quartered away. Look at that. A Magnus Stinger covered in blood and dirt. It don't get much better than that. And we got a big buck laying right over here, folks. There's a big old scrape right there. That was his scrape. I got news for you. That's his scrape. I bet we come by here in a week and there'll be leaves laying over it. There he is, folks. Beautiful deer. That's a good buck right there. Kevin, I think he hit the fourth on the brother. He's dead. That deer's dead. He's done, babe. Oh, that deer ate it, man. Oh, let's see what you got, brother. I tell you what, that's a big body deer. Congratulations, Kevin. You going to get him out?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep, my first bow kill.
Look up, give me a big old grin, man.
Oh yeah, first bow kill.
First buck bow kill.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Good deal.
Not far away from the stand.
The tree stand is right there. And the buck is laying right here. I tell you what, that's the work of a Magnus Stinger right there, Cap. That deer didn't even go far enough to start bleeding.
He don't know what hit him. No idea what
He had no idea. He just flipped right over. Congratulations, Kev. Look at that. That's good. That's a good deal, man. That's a good deer. That deer is going to be about 115 pounds. I thought he was a six pointer. He's high. I guarantee you. That's what we're about right here.
Got it,
I don't care if they're 10, 12, 14 pointers, right? The true trophy is underneath that hide right there, I guarantee you. Kevin's got 19 kids, so he needs that deer. That- Look, that meat ain't going to be out of the grinder yet. It'll be hitting the frying pan. I'm going to tell you that right now. All right, we're going to get back in the stand because it's still early yet, and I got a whole quiver full of arrows.